If you're trying to get the most out of your front to back space in your back seat with a rear-facing convertible or all-in-one car seat, this video is for you. Right now, this car seat is installed on Recline 2, which is the more upright recline of the two rear-facing recline settings allowed by the manufacturer. Even though it's on that most upright number, if we look at the indicator up here, we can see that we still have some space left before that ball goes into the red. So we can sit this up a little bit more, and here's how to do it. I'm going to start by loosening my lower anchors. Over here on this side, I'm going to push that button and pull out so I've got some slack over here. Then I'm going to take one hand and I'm going to put some compression down on the foot of the seat. You may also need to reach around with your other hand and grab the end of the base and pull it away from the back of the vehicle just a little. Keep that compression down and then tighten up your installation again. I'm going to pull this tail from inside the car seat's belt path, just like this. Pull that tail back out. Check for movement, looking for less than 1 inch of movement, side to side and front to back. Now let's take another look at that recline indicator. Now I'm still on Recline 2 down here, but when we look up at the recline indicator, you can see where that ball is right on the edge of the blue range. This is still within our acceptable range, but it is more upright. And now I've gained a little bit of front to back space. And that small adjustment gave me just enough space to put my seat in a comfortable position as the driver. And I am 5'8". I do know the struggle of being a tall front seat driver or passenger. So if you're installing a rear-facing convertible or all-in-one car seat and you're already on that most upright recline number, but you still have some space left on the recline indicator, that ball or bubble or color indicator, if you have a little more space left on it, put that pressure down at the foot to help sit it a little bit more upright and gain that precious front to back space. Always read and follow your car seat and vehicle owner's manuals and get help from a CPST if you have questions.